Good morning, everybody. It is 8:09. Charlotte and I woke up at 7:30 this morning. I think Ben woke up at 7:30 actually. So we all woke up at the same time today. Last night was a good night. I have another cup order that I need to do, and I'm gonna get all 3 of them shipped out. So thank you, Michelle, Tia, and Kayla for helping me out. That's awesome. So I'm gonna design Tia's this morning and get that all shipped out and boxed up, ready to go. I'm getting what I want today in the mail, so I'm really gonna start working on that today. I'm so excited for that project. But I told, last night I was crying to Graham. I'm like, I'm just sick of this place, being a mess. And he's like, yeah, I totally agree with you. And I'm like, I wish you'd help me out on this. And I says, we need to really pick a day when we're gonna be cleaning. Like, okay, this day is this cleaning day, this day is this cleaning day, and we really need to stick to it. So like I said, I was gonna make something. I might even just go to the Dollar Tree and make something, get like a bigger frame, like an 8x10 or something like that. I have an idea what I want to do, and I think I might just do that and then put like a cool background in the back, and then do vinyl. So that's what I'm kind of wanting to do, just kind of make it, seem official, and that's what we do. I need to have laundry on there twice a day, or twice a week. I need to have, the kitchen in there for one day, the living room in there one day, the bedroom's another day, and the bathroom's another day. And I think that is mostly it, So if we can keep that schedule, we are. We've been really keeping up. I've been trying, with the toys not being in here lately, I mean, there's still toys. It's been a whole lot better. Like, I haven't been stressed out at all. The basement right now is a mess because I've been working down there. And, Graham and I told him, let's keep this whole, like, our bathroom kind of was gross because he cuts his hair in the sink. And then it's like, Graham, pick those up. So, like, that's why last week I did, like, hardcore cleaning. And I'm like, Graham, you better clean all this stuff. And he's like, okay, I will. And so we kept the whole bathroom, like, to a T. Well, now we got to clean this bathroom, and the other bathroom's not that bad. These two are not that bad. It's just they got to be wiped down and everything. So that's what we're working on today, is cleaning the bathrooms. I'm doing a load of laundry right now. I have 2 loads that I have to do. Sometimes I think I'm like, I'll just do it tomorrow, and then I'm like, oh yeah, I got tons of it. So that is what I'm working on right now. The kids are just chilling. I'm gonna work on my cups. And then I'm going to also work on my wreath. My mail usually comes around 11. I have to film my 2 videos today, so you guys will definitely see those before I even post this video. But today is going to be a productive day. I also told Graham that I want to work on this project. He's like, oh, we'll work on it later. I'm like, no, I want to work on it now. So we have like a closet, but we don't like put in our jackets in the closet because we'll just be putting it on there, we'll just take it right away. So I told him I want a coat rack in our hallway, because most of the time we come home right to the garage, and then we come through the house and we put our jacket right on the kitchen table or on the chairs, and I am so sick and tired of doing that. So we have this wall here, which it looks like it's probably about 2 feet. I have to measure this wall. But I want to get a board here, and I want to get a board like here, and then I want to put either 3 or 4 coat hooks and 3 or 4 coat hooks on here. So then we have a coat hook area, because we have our boot tray right down here. So that's my project for the day. I have the paint, I have everything that we need. I just got to get some boards, so that's why I got to figure out what size board to put here. But that's my project. If I have to get out of the house today to go get that wood and the hooks, I will do that. I will do that because that's how much I want to get this project done. Like, I've been waiting. I have this thing that I got like on clearance at Joann Fabrics for like 90% off, I think. I gotta get this off. I can't get this off. I've tried Google on, I don't know, but I'm gonna figure that out. But then I want to paint this. That's why I needed the black chalk paint. And I'm gonna make this and probably have it say welcome or something on it. I don't know what I'm gonna have on it. But I'm still figuring that out. I have 2 of these, and then I have another 2 things, but I can always save those for later. But that is what I'm going to be working. That's another project. I'm not in a hurry for that. That could even be a Christmas welcome sign. We will see. But I am pretty excited to get some stuff done. But I will check you guys back in a little bit. I'm going to work on the rest of the cups, and I'll see you guys. So it is currently 2:04. got our mail today, and my package that I was expecting got somehow damaged, and I got half of the order. So I contacted the person that I ordered it from. I put a claim on the post office. So I'm kind of disappointed because I really wanted to work on that project. And now I can't because of them losing my package. So, and right when I found out is when the post office closed. So couldn't do anything about that. But I am currently gonna go downstairs and film my basement video. We're gonna do my empties video. Miss Charlotte, my helper, is gonna help me. You're so cute. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, guys. So there's a bird in our garage. So we're gonna go see if it's still in here. It's a robin. Is the birdie still here?
Yeah.
It's a robin.
Come on,
There she is. There she is.
Go out the door. The birdie. Go down, birdie. The birdie is a stupid head.
Not a stupid head.
Oh.
She just won't get out.
Man, every time we have a bird stuck in the garage. Try closing and opening to see if she realizes.
Oh, and I can't see her. There she is.
It's on the toy box. No. Stay out. Okay, birdie. Hey, when it comes open, it's your chance. Go. Go. Go.
Oh, Robin!
Go. There's that lady in a woman. Hey, it's spinning. It's spinning. You're gonna fall off, birdie. The birdie's gonna hide.
She's out of breath.
We'll leave her alone for a little bit.
Okay. There's a birdie. You see the birdie? Hey guys, so it is 6:54. The bird finally came out. The neighbors helped us. I spent like maybe 30 minutes to an hour downstairs organizing more stuff. I posted over 11 items online to sell. We already had one person come over and buy something already. But I have been going super crazy on, you know, just organizing it. I have to get in this mood and then do it. And then Graham's like, you're making a huge mess. And I'm like, but Graham, you don't understand. I have to get everything out to get the stuff behind it. And he just, I'm like, Graham, just let me do my own thing. Like, just let me do my own thing. I will get it done. But, you know, it's kind of hard when I'm the one who watches the kids. I'm the one who has to feed the kids. And he just sits on his butt. But right now, they are protesting in our town. They are on our downtown Madison, and they're people who broke into a couple stores. There's a jewelry store that somebody broke into. They're just breaking stuff left and right. Graham's watching one live video on his computer. I have another live video, but it's just ridiculous. Like, breaking stuff is not gonna do anything. And you know, I understand what happened was very wrong, but the breaking stuff doesn't solve anything. It doesn't solve anything. So I'm just, yeah, we don't know what kind of world we're heading into. No idea. No idea. It's not safe to go outside because, you know, the whole virus that's going on, and now the riots and the protesting, and oh my god, you guys, it's just gonna get worse. It's like, I'm so glad kind of where I live, but it's just like, you know, and I live in a very political area, like very political area, because I live in the state capital area. So there is a lot of protests that happen all the time. Completely normal, it happens all the time, but this one's like one of the bad ones. But they got like armed guards all over the place, and I don't know exactly all what's going on, but yeah. So Charlotte's eating food. Ben just got finished. He keeps wanting to go bother the neighbors, and we're like, no. So I'm gonna finish eating my food, and then I'm working on a video right now to post, and then I have to prepare for tomorrow. So I got a lot of stuff to do in about the next 3 hours. So let's get going, you guys. It is currently 9:37. I put Charlotte to bed 30 minutes ago, and now she woke up, so she's just chilling with Daddy right now. I'm working on my Walgreens and CVS breakdowns for tomorrow. Yeah, it's a crazy day. It's just non-stop riots and stuff in our area. It's like, when does it stop? But funny thing is, I posted 11 items, I think, online to sell, and I already got rid of 3 of them, so that's kind of cool. So just selling some stuff here and there. I got way more stuff to sell later on. I'm just doing it little bit by little bit. My neighbor's on the same Facebook group as I am, and she just saw that I kept constantly posting all this stuff. It was funny. But yeah, it was a nice relaxing day. The weather was a little bit chilly, but it was also, you know, nice when the sun was out. We had fun getting the bird out. Ben and I played with those chapsticks that I got at Walgreens last summer, or last summer, at 90% off. But we had just a nice relaxing day. I'm tired. Hopefully we can go to bed early. It is 9:39. I gotta edit this video and still work on my Walgreens haul. And but yeah, I'm excited to have a good couponing day tomorrow. Just feel refreshed, ready to go. But I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow, because we're gonna have a nice day. See you guys later. Bye bye.